Hello and welcome. I am Aksa Zafar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will guide you through a roadmap for learning generative AI. This video is designed to help you from start to finish. We will cover the basics and move to more advanced topics. So let's get started. Generative AI involves creating computer programs that produce new content such as images, music, or text. This technology allows computers to generate creative outputs based on what they have learned. It's a fascinating area with many practical applications. Before diving into generative AI, there are a few foundational concepts you should be familiar with. It's important to have a basic understanding of math, programming. Python is highly recommended, how computers learn, and how to manage and analyze data. To start with generative AI, you need to understand machine learning. This involves teaching computers to learn from data and make predictions. The main types of machine learning are supervised learning, where the computer learns from labeled data, unsupervised learning, where it identifies patterns on its own, and reinforcement learning, where it learns from feedback and rewards. Here are some excellent resources to begin with machine learning. The Machine Learning course by Georgia Tech on Udacity, the Introduction to Machine Learning course also on Udacity, and Machine Learning Unsupervised Learning. Coursera and Udemy also offers valuable courses to build a strong foundation. Courses links are in the description. You can check it out. Next step is Python programming. Python is a great choice for AI because it's user-friendly and widely used. Start by installing Python and code editor. Learn basic concepts like printing text and using data structures such as lists and dictionaries. To learn Python, you can use the Introduction to Python Programming course on Udacity and YouTube channels like CS and Corey Schaffer. SoloLearn and Udemy also offers Python courses to help you get started. Understanding data science and statistics is crucial. Learn how to handle and clean data. Understand basic statistics like averages and grasp concepts of probability. These skills will help you analyze and interpret data effectively. To study data science, consider resources like the IBM Data Science Professional Certificate on Coursera, Programming for Data Science with Python on Udacity, and DataCamp Data Science for Everyone. Other useful resources include the Data Science course on Udemy and tutorials from W3 Schools and Codecademy. Deep learning is an advanced area of machine learning that uses complex neural networks. It's important for working with larger datasets and making sophisticated predictions. Understanding deep learning will help you tackle more complex AI tasks. To learn deep learning, check out the Deep Learning Specialization by deeplearning.ai, the Deep Learning course on Udacity, and courses on Coursera and Udemy. TensorFlow and PyTorch tutorials are also valuable, and Kaggle offers practical experience. Generative models are designed to create new content based on learned data. Key models include autoencoders, GANs, and variational autoencoders. Each model has unique features and uses. Begin with autoencoders. These models compress and reconstruct data, useful for tasks like improving images or detecting anomalies. Learning about autoencoders will give you insights into data encoding and decoding. Next, explore GANs. GANs consist of two parts, one that generates data and another that evaluates its quality. This step helps in creating realistic images and other content. GANs are a powerful tool in generative AI. Move on to variational autoencoders. Variational autoencoders generate new data similar to the input they have learned from. They are great for producing diverse outputs and are often used in creating high-quality images and text. Natural language processing is about teaching computers to understand and generate human language. Key areas include text processing, understanding word meanings, and generating text. NLP can be used to create articles, stories, and more. Practical experience is crucial. Start with small projects to apply your knowledge. Join competitions on platforms like Kaggle to test your skills and learn from others. Real-world projects will enhance your understanding and abilities. For additional learning, explore Introduction to Generative Adversarial Networks on Udacity, the GANs specialization on Coursera, and courses on Udemy. These resources will deepen your understanding of generative AI. Here is a 6-month plan to guide your learning. In the first month, focus on Python and machine learning basics. In the second month, study deep learning. In the third month, explore generative models. In the fourth month, learn about variational autoencoders and NLP. In the fifth month, focus on projects. In the sixth month, review and refine your skills. Congratulations on completing this roadmap to learning generative AI. I hope you found this guide helpful and are excited to apply your knowledge. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Keep practicing and exploring, and you will continue to improve. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your generative AI journey.